Hi, today, I'm at my house and in my room instead of my cousin's house. So right now, there's no challenge, no art, but gaming today. Right now, as you can hear, there's music because I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers. Right here. There it is. I know. Also, I have a DS and I could play on it, but not today because it's charging. So yeah, right now we're gonna be playing Subway Surf, but I think I only have like 10%. No, I only have okay. I only have like 15%, so I gotta make this quick. So right now I'm playing. Right now, so I have 400 and 500 now. Wow, it's going so fast. I'm like rich, and I have 94 keys, I think. So yeah, I have that, and I have like a 1 million almost. So I almost have a million money. So if you, in the comments below, like, tell me if I should go all the way to 3,000 or so. Okay, tell me in the comments below. Right now I have to move. I'm tired of like standing. So, oh no, I missed like the spring thing, whatever it's called, the pogo stick. Yeah. So right now you can get this deal, I think. So yeah, on your iPad, phone, tablet, anything except for the DS. I don't think you can. I'm not sure. So yeah. Right now, I'm probably gonna go the, oh yes, I'm for 1,000. What? Oh yes, I survived. Thank you, jump shoes, like the spin shoes. Thank you. Wow, I almost died. 1,000. So yeah, like I was saying, you can tell me in the comments below if I should go to 3,000 or 1 million. Yeah, in the comments below. Maybe later I could just play Roblox or something like that, but I will like later in my channel. Cause right now I don't think I can. So I'll try to do that, but I can't right now. So yeah, right now I do have like 300 already. Okay. So like I was saying, by the way, the baby's sleeping right now, so like I can't go over there. Like, I mean I can, but if I do, I'll have to be quiet. Okay, I have a blue starter thing, and I'm gonna try to use it and see what it does. Oh, it increases my speed in the beginning. So if you have like 20 of these, you use all of them. Oh, I wonder how fast you'll go. I'm kinda like slow now. Like, oh, I think it like makes you slow and fast. Cause right now I'm not going really fast though. No. So guys, I'm gonna be doing challenges like sour candy and art and gaming. Like right now I'm doing a gaming video. And yeah, like in my last video, I was doing a gymnastics challenge, I believe. Yep. And so yeah, I did that, and yeah, and I did it with my cousin. He has a YouTube channel, so I did it with him, and I did it with my sister, and of course me, because I did some of them, and my cousin like did a few, like maybe like one or two of them, and yeah, you should go check that out. I'll put like, yeah, I'll probably put like sour candy challenges in my channel. So yeah, there's like a bug or something in my room. Okay, right now I'm like bored, so yeah, I have my fidget spinner here. I have 3 more of these, so yeah. So I have this. Okay. So yeah. Right now, I'm actually pretty hungry. So I could do like trying other stuff that I don't like. I could do eat it or wear it challenge in my videos. So yeah, I have to get stuff and bags for it. So yeah. I know this was kind of short because my tablet doesn't really have that much charge. So yeah, let me go turn that off. So yeah. So I think this will conclude the video. Like and subscribe to this video. Right now my challenges for this channel is to get at least to 100 subscribers and 100 likes on this video. So yeah, that will conclude it for this video right now. So yeah, maybe my sister's gonna have a YouTube channel. She could be in my videos again, one of them. So yeah, that's it for today.